Okay, we're going to do effective annual yields. Let me share the application screen. So we'll start with problem 10.329, which is the definition of the effective annual yield. So here we're compounding quarterly. The effective annual yield would be the annual percentage rate if you just compounded once at the end of the year. So what they suggest doing is putting $1 as the principal. So that means I just need 1 plus R over N in the compound interest formula. See, R is 5.9% here, compounded quarterly. And we're going to do it for 4 times for the whole year. So what happens is the number we get back, the 1, is the $1, the principal, and we get 6 cents, but better than that, we get 6.03% is the effective annual yield. So we use 5.9%, but we did it 4 times. So effectively, if we did it once, it would be 6.03%. So that's the APY, the annual percentage yield or effective annual yield. Instead of the APR, it's called the APY. So on 1031, there's 2 banks. So for bank A, it's 1.6% compounded quarterly. So I do the same thing. I just leave the principal as 1, so we don't need that. So I just do 1 plus R, which was 1.6%, and it's compounded quarterly. So caret 4, because there's 4 quarters. So the effective annual yield is 1.61%. That 0.9 becomes 61. And then bank B, I would do $1. I would be 1 plus R. Here it's 1.5%. And it's compounded daily. So that's 360 days in a year. And the exponent would be caret 360 because we did it every day. And got the wrong percentage in there. I put 1.5 instead of 0.015. My bad. And so that would be 1.51%. And so, a little slow here at Pearson. Sometimes it goes real slow, unfortunately. At any rate, you could see that you just take $1. That way your answer has the dollar as the 1 in front. That's the principal, and the rest of the decimal is the percentage, the APY. All right, so they're going to ask us which one's better. Well, Bank A has a higher effective annual yield. And that would be B, because C said it's less, but it's greater. Okay, so that's question 10.331 along with an introduction. And this is Dr. K, over and out.